So this program has just been amazing for my family. It opens for further education. By having a huge portion of my BSN covered, I can then continue on to get my MSN. I'm in my last semester of a really grueling program, and by already having a post-grad job secured, I can just focus on my academics instead of worrying about looking for employment. Without this program, I would be stressing. I would be competing with approximately 400 other new grads in my area for work. I would say do it. This program is such a huge opportunity to help pay off those student loans. It helps get employment. It opens opportunities you wouldn't have even known were there otherwise. It's a great program, and I would just say do it.